life. Oh god. Okay, let's start. Today I'm going to be trying this game. Yeah. I'm gonna take this. That's a little bit me. Okay. Hello. I did. Look all this like a thing. Season shirt, my face is swollen, remove the glasses, hold still, and don't smile. Okay. I am ready. And I'm also very scared. Oh. You're gonna be able to wait for this photo to be taken. This thing hates me. Okay. I don't care. I'm just gonna press yes. I don't care. Okay, I look so hot. I'm actually a female. I'm under 18. Well, brown, kind of, I guess. I don't know. A little darker. I'm really scared. Okay, I'm loading at 18%, and it looks, our face looks very, yeah, so it's loaded, and yes, let's go to my, god, I'm really scared. Ah, what? Oh! Ew! Okay. Ew, it's just... Yeah, I know that. I know that. Love. How is love? God, I hate love. What is it? Brayden. School. School. How's school? How's the style?
Oh, yes.
That's cool. Yeah. LOL. My style. Okay. Nick, what job do you have? Yeah, what job do you
I totally disagree. I really don't understand.
What's your job?
I
Oh my god, my mom's in here. Mom, I'm doing something. Oh well. Okay, guys. Goodbye. That was the funniest thing ever. Just, yeah, let's stop dealing with this lady and bye.